What is up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the battery banks that I'll have in the back for my Tahoe build. I have gone with the Excess Power Titan 8s. They are newer to me. I've never used these, but they were personally recommended. So let's get to it.
Wake your ass up.
It is a 12-volt battery. I honestly am not too familiar with them or how they work, so just bear with me as I try to explain how it works. I am newer to these type of batteries, but from what I understand, they are crazy. These retail for about $700 right now on Amazon. Down for Sound said that supposedly the MSRP is $1,000, but I haven't seen them going for $1,000. So let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, so let's go ahead and look into this. There she is. So these are only about 10 pounds. They're pretty light, but it is some sort of like lithium advanced technology thing. Like I said, I really don't know a lot about them. I'm actually gonna have to do some research here before I install them. You have these little side connectors here that allows you to pair multiple one of these. So these little parts right here would go here, and then you would connect, a second one right next to it. And in here, you could actually just wire your wire directly in there. So Excess Power said that you don't have to have any external busing, and you could just wire straight into here. So we have some, and then that is for both the positive and the negative. Now let's look at the numbers. Let's look at the instructions that it came with. So this is how you would wire multiple ones of them. So as I said before, this is supposed to take bus bars out of the equation and then just have your wires just go straight into there. And they can be either parallel or series. And then these are the charging instructions. So this is the S5. So this is 13.6 to 14.5 volt. So your typical 12 volt will work for this. So as you can see, this is a 12 volt. The S6 is for higher voltage, and then the S7 is even higher. This is the state of charge. So for us, S5, looks like 13.6 is the max. And then power wattage. If you're running a 300 alternator, you should be able to get 7,000 watts out of this. I'm not sure how that works. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with this new technology. I used to just run like XP3000s, just typical banks, but this is some new technology that Excess Power personally recommended to me. So I said they know better, so I'm gonna go with them. So I'm gonna get 3 of these. This is the first one, and I got 2 more coming in. And then here is the back. It's the diagram that I mentioned. So that is what's in the box of the Titan 8. All I know is that this is going to be enough power to power my 4 Sound Audio CV5. And it's just impressive how small this thing is. And it's so light. I mean, I'm carrying this with one hand. I haven't seen a lot of builds on YouTube using the Titan 8s. So I am very excited to be one of the first to go through this process with you guys. It's going to look cool just seeing 3 little batteries powering those fucking Sundown Audios. So yeah, this is what we're going to be running for the supplemental power in the back. In the front, I'm just going to be running a D3400. So just your standard AGM, and the D3400 could be wired in parallel to this. So it is safe to run. You're not mixing typical just AGMs with lithium doing so. All right, so thanks for watching again. I am so excited to use this technology in my system, so thanks for watching.